Okay, how are you today? Okay, good morning. Are you still sick or maybe you hungry? Okay, welcome back to our class, and you guys meet with me again, Miss Risma and
Me, Mr. Computer students.
why you still like are you still sleeping or there's no spirit on you guys? Why? Okay. Is there someone absent today? No. Okay. So the first, have you ever seen advertisement on television, on the facility, or on the street? Yes. Okay. So what types of advertisement have you seen? Maybe food, product, or service offers?
Food.
Where? In television? In TikTok? Yes. Instagram. Please answer this. Yes.
I usually see about advertisement food is in like media sosial, and TikTok and Instagram. I think mostly I see the advertisement there.
Okay. Maybe have you ever seen? Product or the service offers? Okay. Okay, for our learning objectives today, first is identifying the meaning of advertisement. So, number two is specifying the structure and language features of advertisement, and the third is implementing the structure and language features of advertisement. Next. Okay, what types of text are relevant when we talk about advertisement? Who want to answer?
I think functional text.
Okay, the answer is correct. Okay, there are many kinds of functional text here. So you guys please look at these pictures. There is greeting cards, invitation, and announcement. Maybe one of you is at the birthday, yeah. So you have seen the greeting cards and maybe invitation from your friends like that. So announcement. Maybe you can look at the school, at the announcement reading. Picture this like that. Next. Okay. Here I will explain about the definition of functional text. Functional text is a type of written material designed to facilitate communication in certain situations and helps readers understand the message quickly and efficiently. So, kind of functional text here, there are many kinds of functional text such as receipt, greeting cards, invitation, notice, advertisement, and announcement registry. So, the definition is specifically here, an advertisement refers to a form of communication designed to promote a product, service, or idea by providing factual or practical information to fulfill specific needs. So from here, are you still don't understand with the definition of functional text? Maybe there is a question. Do you understand? Yes. Wait, this was good. Come on, please, guys. Okay, next. Okay. Who want to read loudly? One of you. No, maybe from here. Okay, Ryan.
We offer the best burger. Nice taste, best taste in town. A limited day we offer super delicious burger. Delicious for every day, always fresh and delicious. 69 Central Street on January 1, 2021.
Okay, thank you, Ryan. Okay, nice. Okay. For the first text for you guys, here is please discuss with your peers regarding what is the meaning of the sentences. The first is nice taste. This is one a little bit of first of the day, and the second is please mind purpose is continually first and continually. Please discuss with your and we give 2 minutes for your discussion, okay? Okay, the time is up. Who want to answer? Please raise your hand. Okay, Surya.
Number one, the phrase nice taste and best taste in town is emphasize the superior quality and appeal of the product being advertised. The mention of limited daily offer, such as exclusive and specific, encouraging consumer to act quickly to avoid missing out.
Okay. Second.
Okay, for number 2, 69
Please speak loudly, Benny. Please speak loudly.
Okay. Number 2, 69 Sample Street on January 1st, 2021. Might indicate the product availability at multiple locations or where we can get the product.
Okay, the answer is correct. Please give applause for Surya and
Okay, guys. After we talk and discuss about the meaning of the functional text in the form of advertisement, now it's time to us to learn about the text structure and language feature of an advertisement. Are you ready and still excited, students?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. So,
Ready, Mom?
okay, please look at this picture. When we talk about the text structure, anyone can guess about the text structure of advertisement? Maybe you can answer based your own understanding. How about the text structure of advertisement when you look at this picture? What contains in this picture? Just try to answer. Feel free to answer and don't feel to make a mistake. Yes, maybe you can give an answer with your understanding.
I think it's title, like headline.
Okay, that's true. Okay, let's discuss in the next sessions. Before it, please give applause to Surya. Okay. Okay. And then here are the explanations about the text structure of advertisement. The structure of advertisement generally consists of several main parts. This includes headline, subheadline, and amplifications. In headline, this section serves to attract readers' attention. And for the subheadline, these sections contain important information about the products. It could be the benefits or advantages. And the last section, or in the last chapter, is amplifications. That these sections contains of detailed descriptions about the product, can address or cell phone and how to use it. Okay, next slide. Okay. The language features that are commonly used in advertisement are persuasive sentence. So I would like to ask you about what is the persuasive sentence. Maybe one of you can raise your hand. What is persuasive sentence? Or I will choose one student to answer it. Okay, Fitri, what is the meaning of persuasive sentence?
The product is about food, so the meaning of persuasive is to persuade readers to buy our product.
Okay. Fitria's answer is about persuasive sentence is when the advertisement offer the food or drink, something like that, is persuade readers to buy it. Okay, let's dive in detail about persuasive sentence. Okay, persuasive sentences are commonly used in advertisement designed to convince the reader's attention to take an action or agree with a few points. These are the example of persuasive sentence, like experience happiness in every slice of our freshly baked burger. Okay, after we learn about and we talk about the structure and language feature of advertisement, now it's time to use students to do a task. Now the instruction is individually to classify the text structure, which parts are headline, subheadline, and amplifications, and mentions the persuasive sentence listed in the text. Please do your task and I will give you at least 3 minutes from now. Okay, maybe the time is up. It's now to present the results of your observations. Please, from my right side, to answer this question. Maybe one volunteer can answer and do the observations. And please, I need 2 students. One is writing about the observation of the structure, and the second students write down in the whiteboard about the language feature. Please, anyone come forward and from the left side and the right side. Please, from the right side. Who will answer? Okay. You can just come forward and answer. And please come forward, guys. The time is limited. Thank you, Benny. Let's discuss the answer of your friend, guys. Okay, Benny answer, the headline is "We are hearing barista," and subheadline is qualifications, while the amplifications is send your resume. That is true? Okay. Because the headline "We are hearing barista" is often used with a bold letter and try to attract the reader attention, while the subheadline is try about the important information that contained in advertisement, and the last amplification send your resume is detailed descriptions about how to send about the job qualifications. And the persuasive sentence, listening and communications abilities are highly valued is try to convince reader attention or audience to take an actions or agree with a viewpoint. Please give applause to your friends. Okay, the next section is please create a group consists of 5 students, and please pay attention that the grouping will be according to the items you have taken, and then sit according to the appropriate group. Please take one and you will sit down with your appropriate group. You take 2. Yes.
I think
Okay, you have all of you get this item, guys? Okay, I think you already sit down with your group now. Okay. Now, please, the next instruction is discuss the topic of the advertisement text you will create. You can choose one of food, drinks, products, or service. Maybe I give you to discuss with your group and create the advertisement text at least for 15 minutes. Okay, the time is up, guys. Now it's time to present your advertisement that you create from with your group. Okay, who want to come forward and present about your project? Okay, Surya, just come forward and try to explain your result. Oh, yes. 2 minutes time. You can presentation alone.
Okay guys, we are from group Lemon Crest here. So,
Please show your
let me can use the time. So in here, guys, please pay attention, guys. Okay, so the headline over here is nourish your skin with our lemongrass oil. Oh my God, Adele, please. Adele,
please pay attention to your friends.
the headline is pamper your skin with the moisturizing effect of lemongrass essential oil. This is becomes the headline because providing additional information. So the amplification is natural ingredient, skin hydrating and moisturizing, and protect skin barrier. But this part amplify the message by highlighting the specific feature and benefit of the product, make it more appealing to potential buyers. So the persuasive text in here is nourish your skin with our lemongrass oil. This sentence persuade reader by suggesting that using this product will improve their skin health.
Okay, thank you, Surya. It's a good explanation. Please give applause to your friend now. The customer can take
It's again. Thank you.
Okay guys, after we are implementing about the meaning, text structure, and the future of advertisement, I will ask you about what's your feel during this learning activity. What have we learned today? Can you answer? Okay, Farida explained that we learned about advertisement. Anyone? Maybe to answer the second question, how did you feel during the learning activity? Arun? Oh, happy, thank you. And the last question is, did you find any difficulties or challenges related to the material we learned today? No, it's clear? There is something unclear about explanations of advertisement? Okay, thank you. Now it's time to give a homework, guys. For the next meeting, just try to identify another functional text in the form of invitations or announcement, including text structure and language feature. You can share ideas about your observations in the next week. And these are the lessons our learning activity today, guys. And thank you for your active participation. Hope you in a good health. And next week we can meet again. Okay. Thank you for your attention, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.